You are preparing for the exam, I am preparing for the exam. So why not do it together? Hello everyone, this is Biyas Chowdhury and today I will be using pen and paper. I am saying at the right beginning, I will be using pen and paper to explain to you the general aptitude questions of the June 2023 paper. So let's begin the video. So I hope you can see the first question on screen. The question says 20 liters of rainwater having a 2 millimole per liter concentration of sulfate ions is mixed with 40 liters of water, that is rainwater, having 4.0 millimole per liter sulfate ions. Now if 50% of the total water after mixing is evaporated, what would be the sulfate concentration in the remaining water? So you have to do this question like this. So question number 1 of the general aptitude of June 2023 paper. So the first question goes like 20 liters of water have what is the concentration? 2.0 millimole per liter of sulfate ions, and then 40 liter of rainwater has 4.0 millimole per liter of sulfate ions. So when these two are mixed, what you have to do is, therefore this has the total quantity 20 into 2 is equal to 40 millimole of sulfate ions, and this has 40 into 4, that is equal to 160 millimole of sulfate ions. Therefore the total water after mixing is 60 liter, and the total amount of sulfate ions after mixing should be 160 plus 40, that is 200 millimole. Now 50% of the water is evaporated, means after 50% evaporation, 30 liters of water remains. So the concentration per liter should be, here we had 2 millimole per liter. So how did this concentration come? That is 40 millimole divided by 20. So here we have to do 200 divided by 30, that is equal to 20 divided by 3, that is equal to something like 6.67 or 6.7 millimole of sulfate ions per liter, and this is the correct answer. So now let's see question number 2. I hope you can see question number 2 on screen. So the question number 2 says, the populations and gross domestic products GDP in billion USD of three countries A, B and C in the years 2000, 2010 and 2020 are shown in the figure below. The decreasing order of per capita GDP of these countries in the year 2020. So in the year 2020, you can see from the graphs, we have certain population and we have certain GDP. So all you need to do in order to find in order to find the per capita GDP. So the per capita GDP, you need to find it by GDP divided by the population. GDP divided by the population. So for A is the blue one, so you can write 324 divided by 16. For B, you can write it as B is the red one, so 2623 divided by 138. And for C you can write 264 divided by 22, and then you can write them in the decreasing order. So this is question number 2. Probably the correct answer is A, that is A, B and C should be the correct answer. You can check. Now question number 3. The question number 3 says, I hope you can see the question on screen. So in a buffet, there are 4 curries A, B, C and D were served. The guest was to eat any one or more than one curry, but not the combinations having C and D together. The number of options available for the guest were. So we have 4 curries A, B, C, D, and C and D cannot go together. So how we can do it is find the combinations. If we take A as the first one, so A, B, C and D 4 separately is 4 options for the guest. They can have either A, B or C or D, so 4 plus we can take pairs after that, so singles and then pairs. For A we can take AB, AC and AD, so plus 3 plus another pair, we can take B. So for B we have BA is already done, so BC and BD, so plus 2. And we can also select C. For C we have CD is the only left one, but CD is not possible since both of them cannot go together. So then we move over to triples. So for triples we have A, B, C, so that is 1. B, C, D cannot happen. A, C, D cannot happen. But A, B, D is another option, so plus 1. And all 4 cannot happen together because C and D cannot go together. So this should be equal to 4 plus 5 plus 2. This is 4 plus 5 plus 2, which is giving me equal to 11. So the correct option is 11. For question number 4, I hope you can see the question on screen. So 3 friends having a ball each stand at the 3 corners of a triangle. Each of them throws her ball independently at random to one of the others once. The probability of no 2 friends having thrown balls at each other is. So here what you have to do is, let's draw a triangle. And each friend has 2 options to throw the ball. This friend can throw here or here. For this friend it is this side or this side. And for this friend it is this side and this side. So if I consider that this friend throws the ball this side, then the probability is favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. So this friend throws the ball on this side. That can be the case. So for no 2 friends throwing balls at each other, we need these 3 to be in the cyclic order. They throw the balls either in the cyclic order, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So favorable outcomes are 2. Now the total number of outcomes is this 2, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise, plus we can consider this pair, that is this friend A throws at B and B throws at A. Then C has 2 options, so plus 2 plus, again for this pair B has 2 options, for this pair A has 2 options, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 or 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 6, that is equal to 2 by 8, or that is equal to 1 by 4, which is the correct option. And question number 5, we will do another question. Question number 5, I hope you can see the question on screen. So the question says, what is the largest number of father-son pairs that can exist in a group of 4 men? So question 5, there is a group of 4 men, say A, B, C and D. So what is the largest number of father-son pairs that can exist in a group of 4 men? Obviously it will happen when B is the son of A, C is the son of B and D is the son of C. In that case, the largest number is 3. The largest father-son pairs is 3. So 3 should be the correct answer. So the correct answer is option 1, 3 pairs. I hope you gained some help from this video. We will continue the general aptitude questions for the June 2023 paper in the next video. And definitely do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.